Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to speak about my dining table and coffee table that I had custom made, and this video continues on from my home interior series I'm doing, and I thought these tables deserve some love and attention on YouTube, so I thought I'd talk about them. So this first piece here, I got it custom made from Category is Stone, and not sponsored, but I am in love with it. It has this brown Italian Travertine stone top with a wooden base in this dark walnut color that matches my dog, as you can see. And I wanted something, I knew I wanted this Travertine stone because I just love Travertine so much. Come on. Oh, Softy loves Travertine too. Yeah, so I knew I wanted Travertine stone because I love the texture, the color, the like graining on the stone, and I want it unfilled, like it has little porous holes on the surface basically, because I like that raw look, and the color, this classic kind of beige color, is so nice. And yeah, so I knew I wanted that as at least for the tabletop, and I was contemplating between having the same Travertine stone for the base as well, because my previous dining table in my previous apartment was both Travertine stone on the top and the bottom, but I wanted to mix it up this time, hence I went with this wooden base, and I wanted something quite sculptural. So this base shape is basically a sphere underneath the tabletop, and then a, what's this shape in the bottom? It's like a cone. No, it's not a cone. It's like a tube. No, is that a tube? It's like half a tube. I'm not sure what the bottom shape is called, but basically it stacks. I want it to look like it stacks on each other like a sculpture, and then it holds the tabletop, which I really love. I feel like the Travertine stone complements the wood really nice. Two colors work well together. And in terms of the size, so this is 90 centimeters in diameter, which is perfect for just me since I live alone. So yeah, you can see fits my laptop perfectly fine. I can eat it on it fine. And if I'm hosting other people, it's also like big enough. For example, I had, I think one time 6 people on this table. So as you see behind here, there's like this bench ledge where 2 people are able to sit on it, and I have 2 chairs there, and then I have 2 more. I can put 2 more stools here, and so it can sit 6 people. It was quite a tight squeeze, a bit cozy, if you will. But you know, it still worked. I would say it comfortably sits 4 people or 5 people, but you can stretch it to 6 or 7 maybe. So perfect size. And I knew I wanted a round top because so this area here, this little nook, if you will is in between the living space and the kitchen. So it's kind of like this area here has a corridor, and I wanted something round to like soften this square space and to make it work within this smaller space as well. Because a rectangular top would be too big, or I can get a small rectangular or square top. But then since this is a square-ish space, I felt like a round table would work well. And yeah, so table's really heavy. Tabletop obviously is made of stone, solid stone, and it comes in 2 parts. You just screw the top onto the base. Pretty easy to put together. You just need a screwdriver, but you will need to be able to like put the top onto the base. Even the base itself is really heavy because it's solid wood. So yeah, you will need 2 people to, if you want to properly move it, then it needs more than 1 person. But I myself can like slowly twist and turn it if I want to, like for example, take the rug off and clean it and stuff like that. And yeah, so I got these 2 chairs that was thrifted from this London vintage store in this brown plaid color with this chrome legs. I thought it went really well with the table. Yeah, just really in love with it. And next is the coffee table over there. Hi. So here's my coffee table. As you can see, it kind of follows the same language as the dining table with the bottom spheres. There's 3 balls basically as the base. Again, custom made from the same company, Category Stone. And I knew I wanted something very low in height. I think this is around maybe 30 centimeters in height or 35. And I wanted a low table because I feel like low tables are more contemporary feeling and looking. Has that sleek look and feel to it. But also my ceiling height is not that high in my flat, so I just wanted everything to be quite low and grounded so that my ceiling looks higher than it really is. And yeah, again, I wanted my dog's blocking. Come here. I wanted the wooden base again so that it complements the dining table with the 3 balls. Each ball is separate and you just screw it onto the top, underside with screws. Super easy, you just have to find the right placement for it. Even because they're solid wood again, it's a bit, I wouldn't say it's heavy, like you can carry it yourself, but it's not light as well. The tabletop itself is marble. I don't know the exact name of this marble, but it's in this nice mixture of grey, white, browns and blues, some dark veining. Yeah, I just love the veining detail of this marble. I was gonna get travertine top, same as the dining table, but I wanted to change it up. So I'm happy I did go with this choice. And the shape itself is this oval shape around, forgot the dimension, I think maybe 80 centimeters. Yeah, 80 centimeters this way, or 70, and then maybe 40, no, 50 centimeters that way. And again, the tabletop is quite heavy because it's made of solid marble. I can like twist and turn the table if I want to move it a bit, but 2 people is better if you want to move the whole thing. Like to put the tabletop onto the base, the boards, you will need 2 people. Yeah, I really love the size, the shape, material, super easy to clean. So this is, unlike the travertine stone, this is filled, it's not unfilled, it's not that porous texture, and it's honed, so it's quite matte in the finish, not polished. Yeah, I think it works really well with the space, so I'm very happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be making more videos about my London flats and other interior related things, so I hope you can subscribe, and thank you for watching.